Leo! Hurry up! The school bag. Wait, where is my backpack? Leo looked around in surprise.
His room was messy, and he could not find anything.
He skipped breakfast, forgot his homework, and left without his water bottle. Everything started going wrong.
Soon, Leo felt very tired.
I forgot my homework.
His teacher looked worried.
During lunch, Hazel smiled kindly.
I can help you. Let's start with one small habit.
I'll try my best.
Today will be different. First, my morning routine. Breakfast gives me energy.
Everything is ready. See you after school. I made it on time. Great job, Leo. Thank you, Hazel. Good habits made every school day easier. Every small step helped me.
Thank you for helping me.
Friends help each other grow.
Good habits changed my day.
Small habits create big changes.
Choose good habits every day.
Thank you for watching and learning with Hazel. Subscribe to Learn English with Hazel for more slow and easy English stories. Practice a little every day, and your English will grow. See you next time. Bye!